Welcome back to another Skull Survivor Devlog. I'm Chris Lucian, and I am writing a unit test right now to unlock the level. So this is kind of the first time on the channel that I'd be doing a update, changing the time. So I have this testable time function that allows me to do that, and we'll just try and add it in. So I have this prefab at this location in my project. It's pulling the class that I'm going to put this functionality on. We are using the game data to set the selected level to the first level. And we are checking if that level is unlocked. Also, we probably want to reset all the game data. So delete all. So we're going to delete all the preferences, and that's all that this is doing right here, is saying player prefs delete all. And we are selecting the level, and then we are so this is all part of the arrange step, getting the menu prefab, getting the target, we're modifying the delta time function, and then we're calling update on here. So basically what we want to see is when and maybe we say like assert is false on here, false, and the delta time function will just be like 100 milliseconds, right? And then we are going to then say advanced the game, 18,000 milliseconds, 180,000 milliseconds, and that should then unlock. And so we're just basically saying this amount of time goes by, we're going to unlock it. And then maybe later we'll add some functionality so that we can attach other events to it once we're ready to go. So as you can see in here, update has nothing in it. And we're going to just go in here and run that test with the modifications we just made to verify what we just did. And so it's building right now. And yeah, so how's everybody doing? Leave some comments below, like, subscribe, all that. Hopefully this is helpful to you all trying to do test-driven development. Expected true, but was false. So we got past the expecting it to be false. So we know that it is not unlocked. We ran update and it wasn't locked. It was locked. So we're going to say something like if we're going to accumulate the time probably. So we're going to just say something like float elapsed time equals 0, right? We're going to say elapsed time plus equals testable time dot delta time. And we gotta get that from the scripts. And let's go into testable time. So we have this delta time function here. So we're gonna call delta time on it. We have a getter. Oh, it's a property right now, but really for this to function appropriately, we would expect it. I guess we have time.delta time. Yeah, okay. So we're just gonna remove that, access it as a property with a getter on it. So the elapsed time increases, and then we say if elapsed time is greater than or equal to elapsed time. So we'll red, green, then refactor. So if we're greater than or equal to 180,100 seconds, then we're gonna go game data dot unlock level, and then oh geez, I don't know, old house here. We're just gonna hard code it for now to show that old house gets unlocked. And then we'll triangulate the tests later. So we'll make a second test to prove that it's still doing what we expect. And then we can do a bunch of refactoring because I want to move the amount of time a level takes into the level definition itself. So that should have succeeded. We gotta go find out what's wrong. Let's see, elapsed time dot delta time. Oh yeah, we never called update a second time here. So really, we want it to be, we want to assert that even after the first update is called, we weren't 0. So bam. Oh, no. Still not 100. Oh yeah, okay, let's just do like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, wait. We'll just go a little bit farther than that. Run. Oh, geez. Just go ahead and debug the unit test, I think. We'll attach to the Unity editor. Enable debugging for this session. Give it a second to allow us to do all that. Run all. We're kind of stuck in that debugger right there. Here we are. We're inside the test. So we can just kind of debug it. All right. So we know we get past this. We go in here, F11. So elapsed time now is a huge number, right? And it is greater than. We do unlock old house. And is level unlocked old house. Throws an exception. What? Yeah, that doesn't make any sense. Shift F11. Let's just step out. Huh. Okay, so that was super strange. Let's go into is level unlocked and just take a look. Get int level unlocked by name. And we called in the production code unlock level, right? Unlock level. So we gave it its name. So really strange here. Okay, so we have old house, and that is the same level that's in question in the test. Old house is level unlocked. We're inside the update. We know we get to the code. We do call unlock the level by the name, level locked prefix. Get is level unlocked. Oh, this is a different set. Okay, so this is because there is some legacy code from the older version of the game. So really, we should have been saying either unlock level, giving it a level. Okay, so we'll stop the debugger. Head back over here, run all real quick one more time, show that. All right. So this, the function we are calling is unlock level. But it is a different version of unlock level. Let's see here. We should get rid of all the old stuff. Okay, so these are two very different systems for the same thing. but those are the old level names in the old data setup. So maybe we need to have a refactoring episode where I just go and clean out, gut the whole game data. But for now, what we really need is we need that prefab to have a reference to our levels and to actually unlock the right level. So yeah, I guess for the red-green refactor, we should probably just, this is going to break that old functionality. Level name. And so unlock level set int. And then we're going to set it to 1. And so that'll unlock. So I believe that this will give us the first bit, and then we can triangulate the test in the next episode. So to speak. Yeah, there we go. All right, so we also always want to end on a red test. So what we're going to do is copy that test. And we are going to, let's see, test character select menu displays, all character options. So this is not even right. Test level unlocks after time period passed, right? Because all the levels are just going to unlock based on the time period for now. And we're just going to have, maybe kind of the same thing. But we're going to say we're going to unlock old house to, what's the next level? Let's see here. So we got scriptable objects. We've got old house to Stone Road. So this will prove that we have the list of levels and they know how to unlock each other, where we're not testing for that yet. So we're going to delete all. We're going to game data dot set level, right? Unlock that level unlocked. Yes, because the protection level is messed up. Whoops. Make these public. We'll go back into our test. I'm going to say set level dot unlock level. And we're going to say old house. So we are in our setup. We're unlocking it. We're setting it as the selected level instead of grasslands. We're going to check if Stone Road is unlocked, and then we're going to advance the timer even farther, and then that'll be unlocked, and we should see something pop up. And then we're going to go ahead and run our tests, and then I will close this video out, and then I'll see you in the next one. Run all. Bam. All right, good stuff. So that's our failing test, and that'll tell us where to go next. Bye, everybody.